If you have a passion for oral health and enjoy working in a healthcare setting, pursuing a career as a dental assistant can be a rewarding choice. Dental assistants play a vital role in dental offices, providing support to dentists and ensuring smooth operations. If you're considering a dental assistant position, you may be wondering what qualifications and skills are required. Let's explore some of the typical qualifications needed to pursue a career as a dental assistant. 1. Education and training. While there are no strict educational requirements to become a dental assistant, most employers prefer candidates who have completed a dental assisting program. These programs can vary in length and may result in a diploma, certificate, or associate's degree. Look for programs accredited by the Commission on Dental Accreditation, CODA, to ensure quality education. 2. State requirements. Each state has its own regulations and requirements for dental assistants. Some states require dental assistants to be registered or certified, while others may have no specific requirements. It's important to research the regulations in your state to determine the necessary steps to practice as a dental assistant. 3. Expanded functions. In some states, dental assistants may have the opportunity to pursue additional training and certification to perform expanded functions. These can include duties such as taking dental x-rays, applying sealants, or performing coronal polishing. Having these expanded functions certifications can enhance your job prospects and provide more opportunities for growth in your career. 4. On-the-job training. While formal education is beneficial, on-the-job training is also crucial for dental assistants. Many dental offices provide training to new hires to familiarize them with office protocols, dental software systems, and specific procedures. This hands-on experience allows you to develop practical skills and gain confidence in your role. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your health career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.